Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So today, from chapter number 5th. Which chapter? Chapter number 5th. What is the chapter name? The articles. The articles. I have discussed with you about what? Indefinite articles. Indefinite articles A and N, where we use A and where we use N. Now today I am going to talk about the definite articles. What? Definite articles. Definite articles the. Okay, what is definite articles? The definite articles the refers to what? Refers to a specific or particular person or thing. When we talk about a particular person or thing, we put what? We put the for specific. Okay, now see, the definite articles can be used for both. Used for what? Singular and plural nouns. Singular and plural nouns. How? Let's see through the example. If given the example, I met a boy this morning. The boy was looking for his lost dog, for singular noun. If given the common noun in the first, I met a boy this morning, means here given I gave you a pen. I gave you a pen. Now see, I gave you a pen. I use article A for common noun pen. If I talk about the same noun, the pen, in second sentence, then I write what? Then I write the pen. The pen is blue. Okay. Here also the same thing. I met a boy this morning. Talk about a boy. Okay. Boy. Common noun use boy. Before that article A used. But that the same boy in the second sentence talk about, then what? Put the. The boy was looking for his lost dog. So the same, I have given the example. I gave you a pen. And I talk about the same pen in second sentence. So I put what? The. Not using indefinite articles. Use what? Definite articles. The pen. Okay, let's see. Here the second. The teachers of our school follow a dress code. Plural noun. Teachers. But it's a particular school given. That is why here use the. Now talk about the countable and uncountable nouns. For what? Can I borrow the book you bought yesterday? Countable noun. Can I borrow the book? Book is specific thing. That is why here you use the. Okay, particular book. Okay, then in the second sentence, the information I received yesterday is true. Uncountable noun. The information already received yesterday. It's a particular thing. Already he had got the means information. That is why here use the. Using with the uncountable noun. Now see, the is used where we use listen. Keep in this mind this point. This point is very important for you. Before a noun that is already mentioned. Before a noun that is already mentioned. We already have seen the first sentence. A boy is waiting outside. The boy wants to see you. A boy, singular. Okay, in the first sentence talk about a boy. In the second sentence talk about the same boy. That is why here use the. Before a common noun representing a class. Before a common noun representing a class. Peacock. There are so many peacocks. Okay, but talk about the whole generation of, means whole, talk about the all peacocks. Here, that is why here use the. The peacock is the national bird of India. If talk about the tiger is our national animal. Okay, so the whole class we refer to. That is why we use the. Then before adjectives in superlative degree. Whenever you use the superlative degree, you need to put the in the superlative degree. Where? See, here. Where? Here. The superlative degree before adjectives. If the given adjective word est form, then you put the biggest planet in our solar system is Jupiter. Okay, whenever you see, if given the biggest, smallest word, tallest, so you put the before the adjective in the superlative degree. Okay, now comes to here. Before adjectives representing a class, just like here, representing class. Okay, the interest of the poor must be protected. The interest of the poor, showing the class, that is why here the. Before nouns showing direction, the east, the west, the south, the east, okay, the fourth sides, that is why given the. Before ordinals such as first, second, third, fourth, next, further, that is we use. So we use the before using the word ordinals number. The first person, the last person, okay, the third person. Before some common nouns, there are some names commonly used. So we use the radio, the theater, the cinema, the airport, the station, railway station, the station, the temple, the mountain. We use the before the common nouns. An idiomatic expression in idioms we use the to tell the truth. On the one hand, the earlier, the better, read in the original. We use the before the idiomatic expression. Now where before a unit of measurement. Okay, milk is sold by the liter. Milk is sold by the liter. Milk is sold, but what we use? Using through the liter. That is why the. Before names of what? Oceans, seas and rivers and mountains, because it's only one thing, particular thing. That is why we use the before the names of the ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean. Okay, before the seas, the Red Seas, the Caspian Seas, rivers, the Ganges, the Brahmaputras, the Yamunas, we use for that. The Arvalis, the Himalayas, we use. Why? Because it's only one given the particular name. That is why we use the. Now see, people belonging to the place, the English, the Nepalis, the Indians, the Sri Lankas, we use the. Well-known buildings, the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Bankim Ghat Palace, the White House, the Taj Mahal. Okay, because it's only one. And we use for our holy books, the Quran, the Gita, the Bible. Okay, we use the before it. Why? Because it's only one thing, particular thing. That is why you use the before it. So this is the information about the indefinite definite pronoun. And yesterday indefinite pronoun I already have discussed with you. So this is the clear that indefinite and definite articles I have discussed with you, which you already have informed by me in indefinite pronoun and today for the definite pronouns. I hope you understand about these articles. Thank you for listening to me.